The first step in mounting our drum set, putting it together, the way that's going to give us the best acoustic sound and the best sound is to set up the bass drum and the pedals. Now for your bass drum, you might have a single bass drum pedal like this. I actually have a double bass drum pedal I'll be using, so I'll put my single pedal to the side. What I want to do is set my drum throne down and then set up the pedals in the bass drum. We don't need anything else to start with, in a way that my legs will form a V. So what you don't want is to have one pedal, ideally, and some people do have this, way over to the left or way inside here. Now, since I have two pedals on the left, obviously it's not going to be the same angle if I have my foot on the double bass drum pedal. That's okay. The hi-hat is what I'm going to use most, so I'm going to set that up at a V. And I'm going to have the bass drum also set up at a good angle where I can play heel up or heel down. I also want to make sure to have my drum throne not too close. You don't want to have your legs at less than a 90-degree angle like this, where your knees are ahead of your ankles. So as you can see here, right now my feet are below my knees, which is something I don't want. I don't want to be sitting way up like this and playing like this. A little more than a 90-degree angle, or exactly 90 degrees at the most. The next step is just to put the snare drum stand right in the middle here. Eventually we're going to add the snare drum. We definitely want to be conscious of the fact that the hi-hat is going to be played not only with our foot, but also with our hands. Now I play open-handed. I play the hi-hat with my left hand, so it's okay for it to be a little bit further out, but I don't want it too far. If you're a drummer that plays hand with your right hand over, it can really be further out. It's not going to make a difference because you're playing it with the opposite hand anyway. So get the pedal set up this way, get the drum thrown at the right distance, and next we'll look at putting the snare drum in.